The echidna, also known as the spiny anteater, is a fascinating creature native to Australia and New Guinea, capturing the attention of scientists and nature enthusiasts alike for its unique adaptations and curious behaviors. Echidnas are part of the monotreme family, which means they are one of only two mammals that lay eggs, with the other being the platypus. This ancient lineage sets them apart in the animal kingdom and offers insights into the early evolutionary steps of mammals. One of the most remarkable features of echidnas is their spines, which cover most of their body and serve as a powerful defense mechanism. These spines, which are modified hairs made of keratin, are sharp and strong, providing excellent protection against predators. When threatened, an echidna can curl into a ball, exposing only its spiny exterior and making it incredibly difficult for predators to bite or grab hold of them. However, echidnas do not possess teeth. Instead, they use a long, sticky tongue to capture prey, primarily consisting of ants and termites. Their tongue can extend up to 7 inches, which they use to snatch up insects at incredible speed, as fast as 100 flicks per minute, making them efficient hunters of small, burrowing insects. Echidnas have an unusually low body temperature for mammals, typically around 31 to 32 degrees, 88 to 90 degrees, making them one of the coolest-blooded mammals. This low body temperature helps them survive in the varied climates of Australia, from chilly, mountainous regions to the hotter and arid plains. They are also remarkable for their burrowing abilities. With their strong, clawed forelimbs, echidnas can dig extensive burrows to escape from predators or regulate their body temperature in extreme weather conditions. In fact, their digging skills are so advanced that echidnas are considered ecosystem engineers, as their burrows help aerate the soil and contribute to nutrient cycling in the environment. One of the most unique aspects of echidna reproduction is the way they handle their young. Female echidnas lay a single soft-shelled egg, which they place in a specialized pouch. After about 10 days, the egg hatches and the young, known as a puggle, emerges. The puggle then remains in the pouch, feeding on milk secreted from specialized mammary glands. Interestingly, echidnas do not have nipples. Instead, the milk seeps out through patches of skin, which the puggle licks to feed. After about 50 days, the puggle grows spines, at which point the mother will deposit it in a burrow to continue developing. The mother periodically returns to the burrow to nurse the young, gradually reducing the frequency until the puggle is ready to survive independently. Echidnas have a keen sense of smell, which aids them in foraging for food and sensing danger. Their snouts are highly sensitive, equipped with electroreceptors similar to those found in the platypus, although fewer in number. These electroreceptors help echidnas detect the electrical signals emitted by their prey, allowing them to locate insects even when they are hidden underground or within tree trunks. This adaptation is particularly useful given their limited eyesight, as echidnas rely heavily on their sense of smell and electroreception to navigate their surroundings. Despite their solitary nature, echidnas have a unique approach to mating. During the breeding season, which occurs between June and September, male echidnas form a mating train behind a female, often numbering up to 10 males trailing one female. The males follow her closely, sometimes for weeks, competing for her attention. The courtship ritual culminates in a digging competition, where the males dig a shallow trench around the female and attempt to push each other out. The last male remaining in the trench wins the chance to mate with her. This competitive process is quite rare in the animal kingdom, making echidna mating habits a topic of significant scientific interest. An echidna's lifespan is surprisingly long for its size, with individuals living up to 50 years in captivity and often reaching around 20 to 30 years in the wild. This longevity can be attributed to their low metabolic rate and relatively low body temperature, which slows the aging process. However, echidnas face a variety of threats, including habitat destruction, road accidents, and predation by invasive species such as foxes and cats. To help ensure their survival, conservation efforts focus on habitat protection and reducing roadkill incidents through awareness campaigns and the installation of wildlife crossings in areas frequented by echidnas. The echidna is often regarded as an ancient survivor, having remained relatively unchanged for millions of years. Fossil evidence suggests that echidnas have existed in some form for over 20 million years, making them one of the most resilient mammals on the planet. Their adaptability has allowed them to endure significant environmental changes and thrive in a range of habitats. This adaptability is also reflected in their diet. While echidnas primarily eat ants and termites, they are known to consume other invertebrates, including worms and insect larvae, when available. One lesser-known fact about echidnas is their ability to survive in areas affected by bushfires. When faced with fire, echidnas can dig themselves underground or seek refuge in burrows to avoid the flames. They enter a state called torpor, a form of hibernation, where their metabolic rate and body temperature drop significantly, allowing them to survive for extended periods without food. This survival strategy has made echidnas one of the few mammals capable of enduring frequent wildfires, which are common in Australian landscapes. In addition to their adaptability, echidnas possess some extraordinary biological features. Their brain, for example, has a large neocortex relative to their size, which is responsible for complex behaviors and sensory processing. Despite their primitive appearance, echidnas are quite intelligent and demonstrate problem-solving abilities. They have been observed manipulating objects, solving mazes, and even displaying signs of curiosity and playfulness in captivity. Researchers studying echidna intelligence continue to uncover evidence that suggests these animals possess a surprising level of cognitive sophistication. Overall, the echidna is a testament to nature's inventiveness and adaptability. With their ancient origins, remarkable adaptations, and unique biology, echidnas offer a glimpse into the evolutionary past of mammals and continue to intrigue scientists and nature lovers alike.